Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the customer events on Shopify store. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Shopify website, and after going to the Shopify website, we have to create an account on that, and then simply we have to go to the settings icon. As you can see, here's the settings icon. So we have to click on the settings icon, and now simply we need to scroll down, and after scrolling down, here's the option for the customer events. So we have to click on the customer events, and after that, as you can see, here's the explore pixels app and add custom pixels, and the same options are provided here. So I'm going to click on the add custom pixel. So you can see now we have to provide the name. For example, I'm going to write the simple event here, and then we have to click on the add pixels, and it will be added. So as you can see now it's added. Now you have to choose the permissions. Now you have to adjust them permissions. As you can see, marketing, analytical, preferences, you have to choose them. And after that, data sale, you have to manage the data sale here. These options are also provided here, and the codes are also provided here. You can manage them. If you want to delete this pixel, you can also do that, or if you want to connect it, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create an event. As you can see, more actions are provided here. Edit pixel name and hire a Shopify partner. So I'm going to bake again. So as you can see now it's done. In this way you can add a custom pixel or explore pixels on the pixel app. You have to click on this and you will be able to redirect it to the pixels app, and you can now adjust them in on your needs. So as you can see, the elevator conversation, all things are provided here. You can manage them. So I'm going to bake again. So in this way you can create a customer events on your Shopify website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.